हर साल lakhs and lakhs of students they dream of becoming IAS officers. But कुछ dreams जो होते हैं they are heavier. They are heavier with hunger, with helplessness and with sacrifice. Some hide their dreams क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि बाकी उनका मजाक उड़ाएंगे and they can't afford to chase them. Some even work at night shifts to buy their books. And yet, someone who lifted luggage for a living cracked UPSC. Today we bring you 10 such real stories. 10 stories of sheer grit, of impossible odds and unstoppable will. These are the stories of toppers who didn't just study, but they fought to reach that final list, that holy PDF. And this reminds us that the merit, it doesn't wear brands. Beginning with Sreenath K, he was the coolie who became an IAS officer. He used to say that my classroom was a railway platform. My lectures, they came through free Wi-Fi which was available at the platform. He was born in Munnar, Kerala. Sreenath worked as a porter at Ernakulam station to support his family. Poverty forced him to drop out, but he never stopped learning. Due to the financial constraints, Sreenath could not attend the formal coaching classes or access costly study materials. Instead, he relied on the free Wi-Fi which was there at the railway stations and free of cost study resources such as the audio lectures while balancing his long working hours as a coolie. After failing thrice, he cracked UPSC in his 4th attempt and today he is the man who once lifted suitcases, he lifts communities. किसी के पास सिर्फ 1400 रुपए उनके अकाउंट में होने के बावजूद they made it to All India rank 10. Someone works as a cleaner in Delhi and still able to make it to the interview. They had no money, no big city coaching, no fancy setups. But what they had, it was grit. Unbreakable, unreasonable grit. At LevelUp IAS, we have seen this fire in the aspirants. We have taught them, we have mentored them. And now, we want to back them. We understand that your journey, it requires a lot. It faces lots and lots of hardships. Because we have walked it with many like you. If you're preparing for UPSC Civil Services 2026, you can apply for a Rs 50,000 Foundation Program scholarship, which is built for aspirants like you. This is the scholarship for students from financially weak backgrounds. You will get the mentorship, you will get the resources, and you will get the structured guidance. If money is the only thing which is standing between you and your rank, and of course the destination Masoori, this is your moment. There are the details and details are in the description below. These 50,000 rupees, they are not a charity. It's a belief. It's a push for the next UPSC topper because we want to help you. So you need to apply now at levelupias.com/scholarship or call us to speak directly with the mentor. Second story is of Jayant Mankale. He was a visually impaired, unstoppably driven. He said that I lost my eyesight, not the vision of my life. Jayant is from Birdev, Maharashtra, and he lost 75% of his vision to a degenerative eye condition. His father passed when he was just 10. His mother and his sisters, they sold pickles to support him. He used audio content, Zoom PDFs, and had family read books allowed for him. After multiple failures, he cracked UPSC with All India rank 143 in CSE 2020. Jayant's story is a masterclass in resourcefulness and resilience. Now comes the story of Hemant Pareek, the boy who was mocked for dreaming big. A contractor laughed at him and उन्होंने पूछा, "Are you a collector?" Now he said that insult became my mission. That's how a taunt sparked the dream of clearing this exam. Hemant's mother, she worked as a daily wage labourer in Sirsa, Haryana. With just 1400 rupees in his pocket, he came to Delhi. No coaching, no comfort, he relied on the seniors' notes and their guidance and free online classes. And of course, the sheer power of grit. LevelUp IAS came at front. Santosh sir and Nishad sir, they recognized his potential and supported him in his journey. And he cracked UPSC CSE in his very first attempt in 2023. So if you see yourself in these stories, your struggles are valid. आपकी dream भी valid है. Apply for Rs 50,000 Foundation Scholarship today. The next story is the story of Birdev Siddappa Doni, the shepherd who refused to quit. From Maharashtra's Kuruba shepherding community, Birdev studied while grazing sheep. आप खुद सोचिए कि आप अपने आप को किसी भी डिस्टर्बेंस के साथ क्या पढ़ाई करवा सकते हैं, बट ही वॉज स्टडिंग वाइल ही वॉज ग्रेजिंग द शीप. पूरे टाइम उनके दिमाग में सिर्फ पढ़ाई चलती थी. No stable electricity, no backup, no financial support, just passion and patience. He failed twice, once by 30 marks and then by just 3. But he never gave up. On his third attempt in 2024, he cleared UPSC. He used to take printed notes from two of the toppers who took classes from Karandeep sir and prepared for his optional. But he later got mentored by Karandeep sir himself at LevelUp IS for anthropology. He said that I studied under stars, now I help shape policies under flags. Another story is of Pawan Kumar. From mud walls to Masoori, he was raised in a mud hut with an asbestos roof. Pawan watched his mother labor in construction to support them. There were days when hunger dulled his focus and nights when monsoon leaks soaked his books. But he pushed through using free material and self-discipline. उन्होंने ये एग्जाम 2023 में क्रैक किया और प्रूव किया that no hardship is greater than the will to rise. Another story is the story of Ramesh Gholap. From polio and poverty to IS. With a limp from polio and no father, Ramesh watched his mother sell bangles to survive. He too sold bangles to support the family, all while he was studying. He cleared UPSC in 2011. Today, he is an IS officer and a living example of iron-willed ambition. Another story is the story of Suraj Tiwari. Suraj lost both the legs and one hand in a train accident. His father worked as a tailor and family's financial condition, they were almost getting deteriorated due to the treatment's expenses. And after that, depression followed. But so did the determination. उन्होंने एग्जाम 2023 में क्लियर किया and joined the IRS. He said that fate took my limbs, but I gave it my life's greatest comeback. Then comes the story of All India Rank 19 Shweta Agarwal, who cleared this UPSC CSE 2016. She comes from a humble background with her father being a grocery shop owner. And she cleared the exam, not just once, not just twice, but thrice. So any financial constraint could not stop her from clearing this exam. Now comes the story of Govind Jaiswal, the rickshaw puller's son with All India rank 48. One fan, one room and one giant dream to clear this exam. Govind's father, he sold their only fan so he could buy books. He studied under streetlights, faced ridicule and triumphed with All India rank 48 in UPSC CSE 2006. He once said that he was mocked for being poor, but now he's celebrated for being unstoppable. Last but not the least, the story of Tushar Sumera. He got 35% in English when he was in 10th. But he became a district collector. Son of a sweeper who was labelled as a failure could clear this exam. Tushar didn't let labels define him. He studied relentlessly and rose through the sheer determination to become collector of Bharuch. He said that I wasn't born with a silver spoon, but I carved my own space at the table. And he did that. After all these stories, you must have felt कि इन सब stories में और ऐसी बहुत सी सारी stories में एक चीज़ बहुत common होगी, which is the determination. आपकी इस preparation में there should not be any financial constraint. Nothing should stop you from preparing for this exam, and we here at LevelUp IS, we understand that. Do you think that you are the next? So you don't need money to start. You just need a mission. You need that madness and you need that mentorship. LevelUp IS wants to fuel your journey with 50,000 rupees scholarship. Details are given in the description and you can just appear for the scholarship. Talk to someone who believes in your potential. We just hope that we get to see your name in the holy PDF of UPSC. All the best.